It's Margarita, and today we are taking it to the house of MAC Cosmetics with Creme de Nude. Now, everybody's jumping on the fragrance bandwagon, but I think that the first makeup company that I can think of offhand was MAC to do it. They've been having fragrances for quite some time, and they have a line called Shadescents. So how this works is they will actually name a scent after an existing shade of foundation or lipstick or eyeshadow that they currently sell. Now, I had heard that this particular scent, Creme de Nude, was discontinued. However, Macy's, you know I spend a lot of time there, had a sale and I saw it listed. So I ordered it and wanted to give it a try because the reviews were wonderful. So even the box looks like makeup presentation versus a fragrance presentation, which is really cool, keeping in line with the brand. And these are really cool. Now, I've smelled the Turquoise before, and it is beautiful. I smelled the Velvet Teddy. I like that a lot. If you like Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille, you'll like that one. And I forget the other one. There's a Candy Yum Yum. I don't recall if I like that one or not. But either way, I didn't buy any of those. But I did order this one because of the reviews that I saw. This is very nice. It's almost like an art piece. Very attractive packaging. But it's not all about the packaging. It's about the smell. So the Atomizer Is Decent. It's not a heavy spray, but it is an effective spray. I'm not sure if the camera picked it up, and it does get some pretty good distribution. And while this is drying down, let me tell you the notes. Neroli, caramel, musk, suede, Madagascar vanilla, and ambrette. Now, this is my second time smelling this, and I wanted to do an on-camera test as well to see if my first impression was actually lasting. So what I recall from the first impression is what I'm getting from this one. This smells terrible. I don't know what the people who gave this wonderful reviews were smelling. This smells like cigarettes inside of a lady's purse. If you know someone who smokes, or if you're a smoker and smell the inside of their leather purse, that is kind of what this smells like. It is not good. This is not something I can see myself wearing, and I would not want to be around someone wearing this. This also sits very close to the skin, so it doesn't project very much. But this smells so bad. Oh my God. It smells so bad I can't stop smelling it. There's even some type of medicinal stingy thing that just pierces my nose. So long story short, this will be going back to the store. I can't even keep this or find another use for this. It smells that bad. Oh my God. That coupled with the fact that I cannot stand the smell of cigarettes. So this is basically cigarettes in a bottle. This is the best way. The smokiness is so overpowering that none of those good notes come through. You can smell the vanilla a little bit, but it's so faint. And whatever that smokiness is, oh my God. I do like the MAC brand. Like, I'm trying to find something positive here. But this scent is not it. Like I said, I like the Turquoise. I like the Velvet Teddy. So those two are some that I think I'll recommend. But this Creme de Nude, unless you are not sensitive to smoky smells, just shy away, in my opinion. But anywho, did Creme de Nude work for you? Let me know. Is it my body chemistry? Is it my nose? Is it a combination of both? I'd love to hear about it in the comments because I cannot see how this is selling otherwise. Also, if you want decants of any fragrances that I talk about on this channel, if they're still in my collection, you can find them on my website, whistlenotes.com. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.